Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll discuss the top assets that are better than cash right now. Get ready to unlock the secrets to maximizing your wealth, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for future updates. From lucrative investments to innovative opportunities, we'll reveal the assets that can supercharge your financial growth and leave cash in the dust. Let's dive in and discover the keys to a prosperous future. Looking to make your money work harder? In this video, we'll explore assets that can potentially outperform cash in today's financial landscape. Real estate and land. When you start earning, there will be a bunch of people giving you free advice on investments, and at the top of the list will be investing in properties. Though it is an excellent idea, it may be tough to bear the brunt of monthly EMIs at the early stages of your career. Speak with a few property consultants regarding options of pooling in. This is where a bunch of people pool in smaller amounts of money to purchase a fairly valued property or land and share in the profits. Either renting it out or selling it when the market is hot, both allow for profits to be shared among the investors, according to the percentage of investment they put in. This is an excellent way to begin investing in real estate or land. Stocks, bonds, and index funds. Surely one of the prime modes of investments is through stocks. Purchasing stock of a trusted company can prove to be of great value in the future. The growth of your investment depends on the performance of the company and its contributing power to the concerned economy. Bonds are also a good way of keeping your savings safe. Though the returns aren't as high as in stocks or other funds, they are relatively higher than the bank interest rates and thus adjust well when factoring in the rising inflation. Index funds are the best bet when you do not have much time to research the individual performances of companies and track their returns history. Index funds are a pool of the best performing stocks on that index, and thus are adjusted for optimal performance. If a share isn't performing up to the necessary standard, it is immediately replaced by the next best share in line. Thus, your investment is always performing for you, purely based on the market. Foreign currencies. One of the most widely accepted foreign currencies in the world is the United States dollar. But this major currency is subject to heavy fluctuations depending on the nation's trade and the general economy. Apart from that, global economy also has its toll on the fluctuations brought on by the prices of commodities. In such cases, currencies with lesser fluctuations and lower inflation rates are a better option to invest in. An example would be Swiss franc and the euro. Investing in a foreign currency requires a fair amount of research. Carefully choose the currency depending on the economic, political, and speculation surrounding the country to which it belongs. Cryptocurrencies. With the rise of fintech and cryptocurrencies, it is no surprise that it is a better option than keeping money hidden under your mattress. With blockchain technology only getting cleaner and being widely adopted, digital currencies may be an excellent way of parking your money, with good returns in the coming years. Non-fungible tokens. Another product from the world of blockchain. Also, another product which will give good returns as it keeps growing. As more people around the world adopt NFTs, its uses will diversify, thereby increasing its value. Quite similar to the value of mobile phones or the internet, investing in NFTs and holding onto them could serve to be a great investment strategy. Precious metals and gemstones. Gold and silver have long been a popular choice for investors preferring to safeguard their savings and allowing growth over a long term. Prices of these precious metals only grow over time, given the demand and supply curve. Thus, this is an option that should never be ruled out. But there are options of other metals like platinum and rhodium, which are valued higher due to their rarity. Further, investing in gemstones is also a fair way of investing, rather than holding cash in savings. Diamonds, emeralds, rubies, and sapphires are just some of the commonly invested gemstones, which see a fair increment in value over time. Luxury items. We have all noticed our favorite celebrities don beautiful watches and walk out of the airports with designer handbags. They are not really trying to show off their wealth. Well, not in the typical sense, at least. These luxury items are investments. Their value lies in the rarity, The luxury brands do not produce items by the masses, so the resale value of the items, even 10 years from now, will only increase. In particular, luxury watches and handbags are a good real-time investment to make and hence have made it to our list. Art. Well, not all art sells big. Knowing the history or the story behind a particular art and the way the story catches traction boosts the value of the art, whether it is paintings, murals, handicraft, or a piece of history or culture. Buying art is not for the faint of heart, but similar to land and real estate, it can be purchased through a pooling of resources. Since it is a long-term investment, be sure to understand what it is you are investing into. Vintage motors. This is a choice for those who understand which motors do not depreciate in value. Generally, motorized vehicles are a liability, such that they depreciate in value and require you to spend on maintenance. But the right kind, vintage, are indeed an asset. Once you have some experience with investing, looking at vintage cars, which aren't made anymore or have a popular story behind them, would be an excellent investment to make. Raw materials. Commodities market is parallel to the stock markets. Learning how to pick the right commodities to invest in would be a real game changer for any young investor. An example, steel is raw material to countless projects around the world, and hence will always be on the global economy's supply and demand. Similarly, oil and natural gas have their own way of controlling a lot of product prices around the world, given their extensive use in the transportation and logistics of most products around the world. Learning more about commodities and how the market functions would be a major factor in deciding your investment portfolio. Though saving for short terms is advised, that should only be done to cater to emergency funds or immediate expenses. As for the rest of your money, why not let it work for you? The biggest flex lies in making money while you sleep, and that is possible through building the right investment portfolio. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.